Wherever you are, lift up your hands and join us in this prophetic song which says, our case is different. You are none of this world. The one in you is greater than the one in the world, because your case is different. Come on, the glorious. Let's go.
We are not affected by the things of the world.
We were created to overcome, winning always. For the God that is with us is greater than the one in the world. We are not broken. Our case is different. Let's do that again. Say, we're not broken. If you believe in this song, come on, join me. Lift up your hands and sing, we are
not affected by the things of the world.
We were created to overcome. For the God that is with us is greater than the rest. We are not broken. I'm very sure of this, because our case is different. Now sing with me. No more going back. Keep moving forward. Nothing is stopping you. We are confident. Yeah. By His grace. Come on, let's do that again. If you believe, sing. No more holding back. Keep on moving. We are not broken. Let's do that again. Sing. No more holding back. Keep on pressing forward. Take bold steps into your work, into your ministry, into your business, because your case is different. Wherever you are, decree with us, no more holding back. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. You'll never be broken. For they that trust in the Lord can be broken. You're not broken. It's a prophetic song from the glorious, because our case is different. Now let's sing different. Sing different. You can say that again and again. Hallelujah. I don't know what situation you find yourself. The word says you are not of this world. The one that is in you is greater than the one in the world. And whatsoever you find yourself, your case is different. So excited about this song. This is our confession. Yeah. Now lift up your voice and say to the devil, say, my case is different. Let him hear it. My case is different. The devil can't take your stuff now, because your case is different. Our case is different.